welcome back to Femica. I hope all of you are doing well. For some of us trying to get a good shave, it can seem like a hit or miss. You might wonder why you don't always get a smooth result. Well, don't worry, Femica's got your back. Today we'll be showing you the right method to shave your body using some amazing products from the Bombay Shaving Company. So keep watching this video to find out how to get a perfect shaving routine. So let's start. Shaving can be a great solution to end the problem of unwanted body hair. Shaving with a razor is considered as the most oldest and classic method of hair removal. So first, let's look at the benefits of shaving. So shaving is quick since it takes less time. It's easy as you can do it yourself. It has no pain as you are depilating your hair. And fourth, it is cheap as it doesn't cost you much. Isn't that great? So the first step before shaving is to exfoliate your cleansed skin to get rid of any dead skin. Doing so not only removes dead skin but also helps you prevent ingrown hair, and you will get a very close and smooth shave. So here I am using Bombay Shaving Company pre-shave scrub, which has black seed particles in it, and it really helps to even out the texture of the skin. Just take sufficient quantity and massage on your damp skin for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse it off. Now the next step is to use a shaving foam to get a smooth and easy shave. And for that I am using Bombay Shaving Company Sensitive Shaving Foam. It has aloe vera, which soothes the skin, oats, which reduce itching, and olive oil, which nourishes the skin. It also has menthol, which adds cooling and refreshing effect to the skin. Now that the foam is applied, we are all ready to shave. So for that I am using Bombay Shaving Company Defender for her women's razor. It is designed to give you a one long irritation-free shave. Its flex blade technology allows free movement of the razor. Its anti-clog design and sensitive coating of the blades helps eliminating cuts and razor bumps. Now the last and final step is to apply the Bombay Shaving Company post-shave balm. It moisturizes, strengthens and protects the skin. It is enriched with vitamin E to moisturize, aloe vera extract to calm, and witch hazel to soothe the skin. It soothes any razor burns and restores the oil in the skin. And here's the final result. You can see how smooth my skin is looking after following this shaving routine using the Bombay Shaving Company. You can also try this shaving routine by getting these products at Femica at the best prices. Let me show you how. To shop Bombay Shaving Company on Femica, you just need to visit our website, and on the home page in the brand section you can search the brand name. By clicking on the brand name, here you will find all the Bombay Shaving Company products. You can check out each product by clicking on the product. Here you will find all the information regarding the product, such as how to use, benefits, features and so on. You can add all your favorite products to the cart. After adding all your favorite products to the cart, you can proceed to checkout. Here you can also apply my coupon code Kriti500, by which you will get a 500 rupees off if you shop for 1000 or above. After this, you can proceed to payment. We have all kinds of payment methods such as UPI, card, net banking and so on. After completing the payment, your order would be placed, and see how easy it is to shop at Femica. So guys, that was it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching this body hair removal routine using the Bombay Shaving Company. Don't forget to check out all of these products by the link mentioned in the description box below. Join our community and welcome yourself to the world of clean and natural beauty by connecting to our social media platforms. All of our social media platforms are mentioned on your screens and are mentioned in the description box below. So I'll see you very soon here at Femica. Till then, take care and happy shopping.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.